So how do you connect Excel to AtScale? Well, what we're not gonna do is we're not gonna import data into AtScale. We're actually gonna use Excel's built-in analysis services connector. So I'm gonna go ahead and build that. I'm gonna paste in my connection string into AtScale. You can see this time we're looking for at the XML listener for AtScale. I'm gonna put in my single sign-on credentials. And now I'm gonna see my retail demo here I just created now appears as a physical analysis services cube. So now what I can do is I can go ahead and finish my wizard, create a pivot table and chart, and now what I see is the same exact metadata that I was just working with in Tableau. I now see it in Excel. This, you guys, is the single semantic layer. And I can get the same performance, as well as the same answers, as well as the same security and governance rules, all applied consistently, regardless of how I'm accessing that data.